one of the things I hear sometimes, and we heard this in the intensive, is, "But I wish it would stop. I wish it would go away. Is it asking too much to ask that it please stop doing this?" And this is the hard pill to swallow for a lot of people, because what you don't realize is the wishing for it to be different is actually causing you pain. It's causing
Mhm.
you a bigger problem because it's not gonna stop. It's like, this is just what it does. How in this process, and maybe you haven't, I don't know, how did you start to make peace with the fact of, okay, I'm not gonna be able to wish this into being a different situation, so I'm just gonna learn how to work within the knowledge I have and just kind of just focus on getting through day to day, moment to moment, without it being as much of a problem for me? What shows up for you around that?
I think that knowing that your mind doesn't stop, is important. But I also think that the idea, and we learned a lot about this in the intensive, is you get to control your reality and your experience and how you're going to show up in situations. So even though your mind might show up and tell you something negative and you wish it would stop, you can say, well, we're not going to think about that. And you can literally change the subject. And sometimes it is relentless and it comes back and back and back. And you are just, sometimes it feels like a battle, but then all of a sudden, your mind has shifted and you've gone somewhere else. And if you didn't let it mire you down and move on, there's a new thought that's going to come in and
Mhm.
it could be a good one. And you can, I mean, I don't want to use the word force, but you can really actively choose to think about things that change the subject in your mind. The mind never stops,
Yeah.
ever.